Welcome back, fellow glue sniffers and sprue snippers. This is Trumpeter's 1/35th scale Japanese Ground Self-Defense Force Type 73 Light Truck Recon, kit number 05519. That's quite the mouthful. In a great little kit. Picked it up on sale at the local hobby shop. Almost Tamiya-like, a little more complicated. It has some photo etch. Some of the photo etch needs to be bent. Some of it is not marked correctly, shall I say. I'll get into that in a minute. But overall, went together really nice. All the decals settled down quite nice. Hopefully my macro decides to work today. There we go. So you get photo etch grills, which fit perfectly. I didn't have no problems with those at all. You do have to bend the guards around the headlights and the fog light. And I think that's for a beacon, but they don't include anything. There's no mention of putting anything there in the instructions. And then on the back, get it around the lights there. The lights come clear. I hand painted them with Tamiya clear, red and orange, and then back painted that with Tester's Tester's chrome. The strap comes with the set. Get a really nice 249. Drilled out the muzzle. I actually replaced that whole front barrel. You can kind of tell it's not quite at the right angle. These antenna pots on the back, they look a little crooked, and they are. Most of that's me, but some of it is because of these photo etch brackets. Now you can see they're supposed to be bent 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They only have 4 fold lines. This one's really crooked because I eyeballed it with a pair of tweezers, and we can kind of see how that worked. The other side, I eyeballed it, but I used a photo etch bender, and it turned out a lot better. But beware, I can't remember which end it's on, but it's one of the very end pieces. There's a fold line missing. So you could probably scribe a little bit and get it to fold a little bit better than what I did. The other detail, side marker was done the same way. Interior, decals went down really nice. There is some photo etch in here. I don't know if you can see it. Right down here. It's a U-shaped bracket. You have to bend it from a flat piece of photo etch. And what it is for is it's a spring-loaded mounting bracket for a Type 89 assault rifle for the Japanese Ground Self-Defense Forces. That's not included, but I couldn't really make out in the instructions what it's for, so I had to look up pictures online. And that's what Tester's Chrome Silver looks like. The underside is nicely detailed, went together really nice. I did drill out the exhaust with a pin vise and a number 61 drill bit. The front wheels are posable, but I broke mine dropping it, so I just posed them at a slight cant to the right, so it looks decent in the display case. Back seats, sorry for the blur. Not much to see there. Used a bunch of Vallejo pigments, windshield wipers. Trumpeter provide paint numbers for 5 different colors: Mr. Hobby, Vallejo, Model Master, Tamiya, and Humbrol, although the last 4 have significant gaps in numbers to use, which is odd because I use Tamiya. So here's what I used, and here's the actual paints. Dusted it with some pigments from Vallejo and earth colors and called her good. Did some dusting on the windshield, not overly happy with that, made my own mask, but nice kit, highly recommended. I'd do it again. I'd like to get the Voyager's photo etch set for this. It looks really cool. So anyway, Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Bye-bye.